As a DevOps engineer, we need to work with multiple technologies every day. And the list is growing day after day. As a result, learning and keeping up with latest technologies is becoming very complex. I personally enrolled to many courses on Udemy and other platforms. Sometimes I came across some of the great courses. And all these great courses contains three common characteristics. And that is why, what, and how. With that thought in the mind, I would like to introduce you to Kubernetes Made Easy. I've designed this course based on same principles: why, what, and how. In this course, I'll walk you through step by step from start to finish. If my guess is right, I'm sure you heard about Kubernetes multiple times. Also, you heard about it is becoming a de facto standard for container orchestration. Currently, it is a must-know technology for any DevOps engineer. Besides DevOps engineer, this course is designed for developers, administrators, beginners, or anyone interested to get hands-on Kubernetes. So, who am I? My name is Srinath Challa. I'm a certified Kubernetes administrator. Besides Kubernetes, I'm also certified in Puppet, Ansible, VMware, Linux, AIX, and ITIL. I've been helping Fortune 500 companies managing their IT infrastructure for the last 10 years. I hold bachelor's and master's degree in computer science. So that's a brief introduction about me. So now moving on to this course structure. This course is designed from ground up. At a high level, this course is divided into 8 sections. Before we discuss what is Kubernetes, in section 1, we'll go through the prerequisites. That will give you a good starting point for someone who is just getting started into the world of containers. Then in section 2, I'll introduce you to Kubernetes. In this section, we'll discuss about what is Kubernetes, its architecture, and more. After that, in section 3, we'll set up the Kubernetes environment. In this section, I'll show you the 4 different ways that you can set up and start using Kubernetes. It includes Minikube, Play with K8s, Google Kubernetes Engine, and KubeADM. Then, coming to section 4, we'll discuss about one of the most frequently used terms in Kubernetes, and that is pod. So in this section, we'll discuss about what is pod, why we use it, how pods communicate, and how to use it. After that, in section 5, we will focus on configuring pods using config maps and secrets. Then in section 6, we will focus on 5 core basic Kubernetes controllers that manages pods inside Kubernetes. They are replication controller, replica set, deployments, daemon set, and jobs. After that, in section 7, we will focus on connecting applications internally inside Kubernetes cluster and also exposing applications onto internet using services. In this section, we'll discuss about 3 primary services. They are node port, load balancer, and cluster IP service. And finally, in section 8, we'll focus on how the storage is handled inside the Kubernetes cluster. We'll discuss about the various temporary and persistent storage solutions that we can use inside Kubernetes. So these are the 8 sections that we cover in this course. Some of you might have seen similar topics in other courses on Udemy. The question you may now have is, why only this course? In this course, I will walk you through step by step each and every topic in detail from concept to demo. And also I can proudly say that as of this recording, this is the only Kubernetes focused course on entire internet which consists of 15 plus hours of concepts and demos. Most importantly, this is just a beginning. So besides the number of hours, I took extra care in terms of content quality and the documentation. Before you sign up for this course, please take your time to go through the reviews mentioned in the course description. And also, you can sign up for my free course, Kubernetes Getting Started, on Udemy and YouTube, so that it will help you make your decision correctly. And finally, I look forward to see you and helping you learn Kubernetes.